it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here because today I'm showing you a little sneak peek behind the scenes of my baby shower. So I posted a picture on my Instagram of the place setting at my baby shower, and I got a ton of DMs and comments that you guys wanted to see more of what went into my baby shower, and I'm so excited because I planned the whole thing. Yes, I planned my entire baby shower. Why? Because I've been dreaming of like throwing my little girl parties my whole life, and I feel like this is kind of like the first party that I get to throw her, so I wanted like total control of like the whole, you know, like every little detail. So I kind of just got to come up with my dream baby shower and bring it to life, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be just like everything I ever wanted and dreamed of. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap the little subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. And yes, for all of you wondering, I am in the nursery. I love it in here. It's like my favorite room in the house. So if you guys are interested in seeing like a little nursery reveal video, leave a comment down below. Let me know. I would love to share it with you guys. It's not finished yet. We still have a ton of work to do, but I'm really excited about how it's gonna turn out. I think you guys are gonna love it. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you want to see the official nursery tour, and I'll do a video on that for you guys. So I'm gonna go finish getting ready, and then I'll take you guys along with me to the shower. We're hosting it at my mom's house indoors because it's kind of like cold and rainy out. So I'm just gonna do like a small group of friends, and I'm almost 34 weeks. Let me show you a little bump date. Here's the little baby bump. So I just got like a cheap dress on Amazon, a pink one and a little flower crown that I'm gonna put on. And then let's head over and get to the shower. Let's go. So here is the behind the scenes of my actual baby shower. Grab a drink, come on in, enjoy. I hope you love it. And of course, I'll leave all the recipes and DIY instructions and all the details down below in the description. So I just had an intimate gathering of some of my closest friends over. Now, I know not everybody serves alcohol at baby showers, but I wanted everybody to have a really good time, so I created this cute little DIY Mimosa Bar. I just mixed some champagne with raspberry lemonade and some frozen raspberries floating on top for a cute aesthetic. I just thought it was a cute alternative to a traditional mimosa because they're pink and festive, so I just printed out a cute little sign and decorated the table with some pink tulle and a gold sequin tablecloth that I got on Amazon. For the table setting, I stuck with my theme of pink, ivory, and gold, so I got some disposable plastic plates with gold trim and gold plastic utensils to match, just right off Amazon. We just scattered some C's chocolate candies in pink and gold to add to the theme, with some little gold butta vases from Amazon and some beautiful pink roses that my mom picked up from the grocery store. I topped each of the plates with these cute little pink bow napkins that I made. They're really easy. Just take some paper pink or any color napkins, and you're gonna fold it in half, and then fold each half into thirds, kind of accordion style on each side until it's all folded up in the center. Then just go ahead and cut a little piece of pink ribbon to match the color of your napkin, wrap it around the center, tape it in place with a little Scotch tape, and you have a cute little bow napkin, perfect for a baby shower or a party. I just placed these on the top of each of the plates. I think it just totally pulled the look together and made it really cute and sweet. Of course, we had to have a photo backdrop, so I actually just got a 4-post bed canopy off Amazon for like 12 bucks and pinned it to the wall as the backdrop and added some cute little decorations that says "It's a Girl" in pink and gold from Amazon. And this way, me and my friends were able to just stand in front of it and take really cute pics. It's just a really cheap, fun, easy way to set the theme and pull it all together and get really great photos from your event. For the food table, I did the same thing with the bed canopy as a kind of little backdrop and printed out a little sign, "Welcome to Lindsay's baby shower," and I just put it in a little plastic frame I got at the 99-cent store that I sprayed gold. And we just had it catered, some light, healthy salads, wraps, and sides. Again, I covered this table with the pink tulle and gold sequin tablecloths that I got on Amazon. And right next to it, the dessert table, the best part, with some fresh fruit and some juice and cute little desserts and macarons and little bundt cakes. And no, I did not make the desserts for my baby shower. I just had my mother-in-law pick these up from the store and bring them over. So I had to incorporate some classic baby shower games, so I just printed out this Guess Who game with a picture of all the guests on the front and all their baby pictures on the second page with little spaces for them to write in who they think the baby picture belongs to. And then at the end we revealed who each baby picture belonged to and the winner got a prize. I also found a link on YouTube with a compilation of songs that all had the word baby in it. All the girls had to listen to the clip of the song and guess the name of it and the artist to win the prize. Last, for the favors, I wanted to do something fun and interactive, so I created this DIY body scrub activity for the girls to do. So I gave all the girls a bowl with instructions in it and put out all the ingredients and everything you need to make your own DIY body scrub with either pink Himalayan sea salt or a sugar scrub. I put out little cups of moisturizing oil and scented essential oils to mix in, some colored sugar to give it a little pop of fun, and these cute little plastic jars that I got on Amazon for them to package it up in, create a fun little label to put on top, and package it up to take home. These were a total hit and I totally recommend doing this activity at any party or shower. Last, I opened some gifts. I wasn't going to open gifts at my shower because I know some people find it kind of boring, but everybody wanted to stay and watch me open gifts, so this is how we ended the shower. It was just a really nice way to thank everybody for coming and celebrate little baby girl on the way. And if you guys want to see more like behind the scenes type stuff, make sure to go follow me on social media at @Lindsay. Say hi, I love talking to you guys. That's where I share more kind of like sneak peek type behind the scenes stuff. So go follow me there. And if you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. And go check out my other baby videos, challenges, behind the scenes, because if you like this one, you're gonna love those too. Alright, so there you have my baby shower behind the scenes. I hope you guys loved it. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. Okay, so you guys said that you wanted to see like a little sneak peek of my baby shower. So today on my YouTube channel, I'm sharing a video on all the behind the scenes of my entire baby shower. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'm sharing all the details, all the games, all the everything. So swipe up to check it out. So much fun.